Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basis, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect a Supercell ID on Heyday. So without further ado, let's get started. In your game, just tap on the 3-stripe line. It should be located at the left side of your screen. Once you tap on the 3-stripe line, just tap on Settings. Now inside Settings, at the top, you can see a Supercell ID and a login option. Just tap on Login to connect your Supercell ID to Heyday. I already have my accounts in this device, so I can tap on any one of my accounts to directly connect it to this game. But if you guys don't have your Supercell ID linked with your device, then just go to Login to Supercell ID. Here, just put in your email address in the text box. After you put in your email address, just tap on Login. Now Supercell will send a verification code to your email address. Now go to your email address and get the code and paste it in the box. Once you put in your verification code, just tap on Submit and just tap on Confirm to connect your Supercell ID to Heyday. And just like that, you can connect your Supercell ID to Heyday. If you have any question or run into any trouble, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.